If Discord is running slow, laggy, or even crashing, the issue is often the cache. But don't worry, I'll show you the fastest way to clear it on both PC and mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we start, make sure Discord is completely closed. On PC, right-click the Discord icon in the taskbar and choose Quit Discord. And on mobile, just swipe it away from your recent apps. On Windows, press Windows plus R, type %appdata, %\discord, \cache, hit enter, select all the files in that folder and delete them. On Mac, open Finder, go to ~library/application support/discord/cache, and delete the files there. For Android users, head to Settings >apps >discord >storage clear cache, and on iPhone the safest way to clear cached data is simply reinstalling the app. Once that's done, restart Discord, and you should notice it loads faster, runs smoother, and those small glitches are gone. Clearing the cache won't delete your account or messages, it only removes temporary files, and doing this once in a while really helps keep Discord fast and responsive. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more Discord tips. I will see you in the next video.